President Droupadi Murmu officially launched the 5th Meghalaya Games at Tura's Phagu Sangma Stadium, a momentous occasion attended by notable figures that include the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The event marks a significant shift to Tura and introduces traditional games, drawing the participation of around 3,000 athletes across 23 disciplines over the next 6 days. In a symbolic gesture, the Chief Minister's wife, Mehtab Sangma, presented President Murmu with welcome gifts symbolizing the celebration of youth, culture, and unity. President Murmu underscored the sport's potential in Northeast India, particularly among tribal communities, advocating for support for talent, especially women. She highlighted the region's prowess in adventure sports and tourism, recognizing achievements like conferring the Arjuna Award on Shushila Chana Pukrambam and Naurem Roshibina Devi. Expressing optimism, she hoped the Meghalaya Games would inspire excellence and cultivate a vibrant supporting ecosystem.
A memento of Meghalaya Games and India handed over to our President Madam, along with a beautiful hand-woven mulberry silk sari and a dakmanda set for you, Madam.
I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sports event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sports persons. I am confident that they will put on a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the Phagu Sangma Football Stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to late Sri Phagu Sangma, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangma was the first tribal Speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first Speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangma was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized the event's historical significance beyond sports, pledging investment in youth and deeming such programs crucial for the future.
Who are present out here from the cabinet and the MLAs, MDCs, all distinguished guests, sports persons, and all the citizens of Meghalaya. I take this opportunity at the very outset to welcome our Honorable President of India to our town and to our state of Meghalaya.